Today I want to talk to you about how commercial properties actually gather water data. This is a water meter. What normally happens is somebody goes out on site, goes down, looks at the water reading, records it, takes it back, goes to the next building, Sometimes they might do this weekly, sometimes they might do this monthly, but at the end of the day, it's a manual process. Why are we doing that? Property management is now migrated from reactionary to data-driven, analytical, real-time insights. That's what we do at Alert Labs. By giving property managers minute-by-minute real-time resolution view into their properties, they can make proactive decisions about where leaks are occurring, about where to spend their next maintenance dollar so they can get their biggest return, and to understand what's happening in their portfolio. If you want to find out more about how to detect abnormal water usage, how to detect leaks that have sprung up in your buildings, how to detect what your costs and your cost forecasts are in your portfolios, come to alertlabs.com and connect with us.